Things get dirty. You don't have to be a cleaning industry professional to know that, but you better call one if you want your carpets, furniture or car upholstery looking brand new and fresh. Profi 53 spray extraction vacuum cleaners are created just for that purpose. Large, transparent water tanks let you see how much longer you can work and when it is time to empty the waste container. In addition, a water level sensor will shut down the machine when it is full. A handy clean water container and a robust waste tank make filling and emptying nearly effortless. Industrial-grade water pump provides a high-pressure water jet, while a manual valve allows control of the flow volume. Thorough rinsing is ensured and every stain is completely removed. Wide chassis and big wheels allow stability and mobility of the device. Profi 53 vacuums are designed to wash car upholstery and other fabrics commonly used at home. Carpet cleaning can be further assisted by using Profi 55, a motor-powered device that sprays, brushes and vacuums all at the same time. Master Profi spray extraction cleaners are a perfect fit for any professional who values cleanliness, effectiveness and the speed of their work.